Helmart, here we come.
Hi.
Hey. I love how she goes, are you twins? We're like, yeah. Are you sisters? Oh, yeah.
Like, following us everywhere. It's a little annoying.
Yeah, we were just, oh, shit, really? Leave it, come. We were just in Dollar Tree, and this little girl, two little girls and their mom come in. They meet us at the door, like, oh my gosh, look at the dog.
They like block the door so you can't go in.
And then they like followed us to the damn store. Like, we're not there for your entertainment. We're not a circus. Like, we're here to just shop and live life like a normal person. So as part of winning champion and grand champion for 4-H, I got a $20 Walmart gift card. So Cedar is gonna get to pick out any toy she wants.
I think it smells like rubber.
Ready? Go find. Where's one? Go find it. Can you not? Go find it. Where's one? Pick one. Pick one. Go find it. Get one. Get it.
Oh, I think he's interested in the hedgehog.
Get it. Get one. Cedar. Get it. Which one?
I don't think she likes any of them.
She's just sniffing. Get it. Come on. If I have to, I'll narrow down the choices for her. Come on. Over here. Ready? Get it. Get it. Get it.
This has something in it.
Get it. Yeah.
So
Get it. Oh, you want that one? Get it. You want to get it? Cedar, can you get it? Oh, you're not done yet? Cedar. Hey, get it. Oh, you want this one? Which one you want?
She likes the smell of it.
Alright.
Two?
Come.
You're getting her two?
Sit. Ready?
You're getting her two?
Choose one. Which one? You want that one? You want it? Get it. Get it. She's like, I don't know how to pick it up. Get it. Can you get it? Get it. Nope. Come on. Cedar, come get it. She's not done yet. Okay.
She wants it. It's the same one that Miranda got.
Yeah.
Was that a
Fine, okay. All right. Let's see. How much is this one?
My dog will just pick them all.
Oh, yeah.
This one is... It doesn't say.
Come.
You have to go find one of those scanning
With me.
things. Which one did she get?
This one.
Ooh, it's scary.
You got it?
Try me. Wait,
Teacher.
can I try?
Oh, my goodness.
Can you get a picture of her holding it?
Sit. Good girl. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how much it is.
We have to go find a scanny thing.
There's no price. Oh, it's right here.
Oh.
$13.97.
It's half of your money. More than half of your money.
Let's see. So that'd be $14. So I'd have about $6 left. So we can grab her a treat. Come. Let's go.
Wait, can you have her phone? I want to take a picture of her phone. What treat you gonna get her?
Whatever is less, $6 or less.
This is next aisle.
Turn. Turn. Leave it. Come.
Nope, come back. Other aisle.
You want these? Oh,
It's that aisle over there, sorry.
Yeah. Cedar. Get which one? Which one you want? Get it. Get. Okay, we're getting this one. Now there is a fake circus dog in a cart, and it's off leash. Wonderful. As soon as I was like, I'm paranoid because we heard a dog bark. There was a. Y'all, this really is getting out of hand. Because now people think service dogs are supposed to be in carts. So this one kid wanted to pet the fake service dog, and the lady goes, no, honey, we can't pet that dog. It's working right now. No, my dog is working. That dog is not supposed to be in here and is causing a distraction, and it acting as a threat to the public. This is not okay. Keep your pets out of non-pet friendly places. Thank you. Leave it. Brace. Oh. Hi there. Down. I was just wanting to let you know that there's a barking dog in here.
Yeah.
And it was barking and distracting my service animal. It's in a cart and it's not on a leash, and that like violates health codes. And plus, it's really dangerous because if it jumped out of the cart, it could get my service animal.
Yeah. I believe they're checking out right now, but
Yeah, they went towards the food aisle. I just wanted to let you know. See if you can do anything about it.
Hey, Crystal. Hey, Crystal. Can you come to the services real quick? Thank you.
Hi. I just wanted to let you know there's an aggressive pet here, and it's not on a leash, and it's in the cart, which violates health code. This is actually an ADA law card stating the laws and when you are allowed to kick out a service animal, and it's acting as a direct threat to my service dog and the public.
Just a moment. Let me go get my manager, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
And if they say like emotional support or something like that.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay, but yeah, I just wanted to let you know because it was acting as a threat.
Yeah, no, you guys are good.
She's medically alert. If she misses an alert, it'd be very dangerous.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes, you guys have a great day. All right?
Thank you.
We'll try to make sure it happens.
Thank you.
Please don't talk to her. She's working. She's being like the nastiest of I said please don't talk to her. She went like, yeah, she's good. She's good. Thank you. Are you okay? She's good.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
It's
normal
I'm fine.
for her.
I'm fine.
She's good.
Yeah.
She's good. I promise.
Okay.
I promise. She's good. She's
I'm
good.
fine.
I promise. I promise. Thank you. That was a kid. That was a kid. Calm down. Calm down. That was a kid. She's good.
Are you Madame Schmidt's daughter? Never mind.
No. She's good. I promise.
Cedar.
She's good. Thank you.
If people need these striped pants so bad, they can wait a few minutes. My health is more important than their terrible fashion sense. Are you looking at me?
That lady's just staring at you.
Who?
That lady across the
Video
thing.
her.
No, she's literally staring at
It's
me.
on video. Act like you're texting. Can you like sit?
What? What'd you say?
Sit in front so you can kind of like block me or whatever.
Sure. Okay. Okay. No, hold on. I'm gonna be in the way if I. Alright, here's your water right there. I'm gonna need an ambulance.
Striped pants.
I'm gonna need.
So bad.
I'm gonna need an ambulance if that happened. If I fell, I'm gonna need an ambulance.
The baby. Okay, as long as she's okay.
She's good. Thank you. I was just saying hey as I was running. I was like, this is not a good idea.
So I'm currently in Walmart recovering from an episode, and I can't get up at the moment. My sister just enlightens me that there is another dog in here, and it's not a service animal. It is in the cart, and it does not have a leash. Way to go, Walmart. Y'all, I should not have to deal with this. I can't get up at the moment, and I'm freaking scared that the dog is gonna come and attack Cedar, and I can't do anything about it. Keep your damn pets out of Walmart and non-pet friendly places.
She's good. Thank you. Been too long.
It's like my heart rate.
To keep me busy, I'm just gonna do some horrible singing.
It's like my heart rate has calmed down, but I still feel really bad.
If you're about to pass out, clap your hands. If you're about to pass out, clap your hands. If you're about to pass out, that you're gonna pass out. If you're about to pass out, clap your hands. Clap your hands, everyone. Clap again.
I was just on the ground for about 35 minutes. Cedar did amazing. Held her DPT the whole time. I'm very nauseous and my head is spinning, and now we have to worry about another dog in the cart. And it doesn't have a leash on. A service dog handler should not have to deal with this when we go shopping. Especially right after a medical episode. Like, seriously. Caden to the rescue!
You have to walk the rest. Get in there, Maggie. Get
job. You did good, my love. That thing's, I told you it goes fast. I told you it did. Mom called. I guess she's ready for checkout.
Alright, call her back.
I tried. She... What do you smell? You want to open it? Come here. Come. Oh, you're not done with dinner, are you? Come. Ready? Sit. Good girl. You want to open it? Open it. What's in it? Get it. What's in it? You want to do it? Here, let me help. Let me help. There we go. Oh my goodness. Sit. Ready? Spin. Get it. Oh my goodness. I'm aware that this brand is really unhealthy for dogs, but it was her decision, so this is just a one-time thing. Take it. Is that good? You want another one? It says these are supposed to be chicken nuggets. That does not look like a chicken nugget, but okay. There you go. Good girl. You like your toy? Ready?